Ruksar, please tell us something about yourself.
My name is Sheikh Ruksar Parvin. I am studying in ninth standard. I am 14 years old. I am school student and I live in Mumra.
Okay. Tell me something about your mother.
My mother name is Shehzadi Begum. She likes to cook food and that's it.
That's it. Uh, for how long have you been living in Mumra?
I have been living in Mumra uh, for a long time.
Tell me three things that you can do.
Yes, I like to do
No,
paintings.
there are three things you can do. So I can.
Okay. I can do paintings.
Okay.
I can do reading.
Reading.
Yes.
Okay.
And I can speak English also little bit.
Okay. When was the last time you went to a market with your mother? Tell me when did you go and what was the time? How did you feel?
Okay. Um, uh, I I went to market at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock with my mother. I went to big market.
Big market. Okay. Do you go to a picnic or do you go for a picnic? Uh, did you go to a picnic last time, maybe 2 years ago, 10 years,
No,
5 years
I do
ago?
not go to
You
picnic.
didn't go?
No.
Did you celebrate any birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
Okay. When was the last time you went for birthday celebration? So you have to describe where did you go, with whom did you go, and how did you enjoy?
I have been I have been went to
I went to a birthdays,
I
my
went
friend's
to
birthday is
I went to my friend's birthday uh, at last year.
last year, only last year.
I went to her home.
Okay. So say something like when did you go, with whom did you go, and how many people came there? Did you enjoy or not? Yes.
I went I went there with my friends. I went there at 7:30 and I enjoy a lot there.
So you can say last time I think it was Friday morning, and I planned to go to my friend's birthday celebration. So I got ready, I got dressed, and I went for my friend's birthday party along with my other friends like Sonali and Sonal. We went together, and it was a grandiose party. We enjoyed it. We played. They played a lot of songs. So some of them were dancing or playing, doing mimicking or a lot of things. I don't know. So it was a great party. I enjoyed a lot. Okay, that's it. Should I ask more question?
Yes, you can.
uh, Now please tell me about your sister's routine. Sister means any cousin routine.
Yes.
Take her name first, then you try.
Her name is Sheikh Aisha. She wakes, she wake up at 12 o'clock. After that, she freshens up and then she take her breakfast.
Takes.
Takes her breakfast, and after that she takes bath, and then